This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails for beginners. Start by gathering fresh fruit, a jigger, shaker, spoon, and good ice, then measure spirits precisely and taste as you go. Practice a simple sour and a stirred cocktail to learn shaking versus stirring, and always clean your tools between drinks to keep flavors pure and consistent for friends or for a quiet night in. Gather a jigger, shaker, mixing glass, strainer, bar spoon, and fresh citrus to start. Use fresh herbs and quality spirits to keep flavors bright, and choose bottled mixers only when fresh options are unavailable. Learn to taste and adjust with small tweaks like a splash of simple syrup or bitters. Practice makes the process intuitive and lets you serve reliably balanced drinks to guests or for yourself. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple mixology guides that actually work. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort for long nights of cocktail practice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with 2 reliable recipes, a whiskey sour and a stirred Manhattan. For the sour, combine 2 Oz spirit, 3-4 Oz fresh citrus, and 3-4 Oz simple syrup, then shake with ice and double strain. For the Manhattan, stir 2 Oz whiskey with 1 Oz vermouth and a dash of bitters over ice and strain. Taste and tweak sweetness or citrus to suit your palate before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.